Hey there, this is Aggie again. I'm excited to be back here and sharing how I achieved these exciting acrylic look nails at the comfort of my home. I purchased these nails at Luxxi off TikTok shop. They have a variety of them and they are all beautiful. Today I'm going to be doing this one. This is Caviar. It's like a pink blush with a black French tip. So this is going to be my look for the next 20 something days. It's so easy to put them on. They have instructions at the back. This is another one that I'm looking for. It's called Macaron and it's beautiful. It's like this is plain pink blush. I don't know when I will put this one on because they look almost similar to another set that I wore. But then I'm also excited to try this almond shaped truffle. Oh, this is beautiful. And all these are amazing. This is my best charm. I don't know when I will try them, but I can't wait. These are beautiful. The almond shape with a gold tip and I don't know, I can say so much about them. So check them out. Purchase a set of them. They have all the products that you need to put these nails on. The next thing that is best to do is to set your table and then lay out all the nails. I fit them with sizes, but also I use numbers, and since I've done this before, I have my numbers written down somewhere, so I'll just go ahead and write them down from the pinky to the thumb. So the most funny thing is the bigger the number, the smaller the nail size, and the smaller the number is the largest nail size. So 2 will be fitting like a thumb and 12 will be fitting my pinky. This is like reverse. You would expect the smallest number to hold the smallest nail size, but it's the other way around. So since I have my numbers written, my thumb is 2, my index is 8, my middle finger is 6, my ring finger is 7, and my pinky is 12. So I have those numbers on top of my head. I always write them down, and this makes the process a little quicker. You can try them, but also I recommend making sure that you fit them before you apply the glue. The next step is nail prep, and this is the most important step because it determines how long your nails will last. If you don't prep your nails well, then you're not gonna have a 28 service DIY nails. It's gonna be a couple of days and then they will fall off. The next other trick or the tip is when you put on the glue, you apply it on your nail and then you apply it on the acrylic. When you putting it on, just do a slight firm press. Don't squeeze because you're gonna squeeze out the glue and then it will not last, it will fall off at some point. Just a little firm press and that's all. So because it's like super glue, it works with time. The longer it stays, the stickier it becomes. So that's quick and easy. And then I will repeat that process in each and every nail. I will not keep on repeating myself. So that's how I do it, and I'm going to show you quickly. And so that's it. I'm done with my left hand. I'm going to go ahead and do my right hand, and I'm already admiring this. They look so good. I'll see how long they last, but most of the time if I wear them and I follow these instructions the right way, they last 21 to 28 days, 3 to 4 weeks. This is the longest service DIY nails can last you. If you enjoyed this video, click like, share, subscribe so that I can show you next how to remove them the right way so that you don't damage your nail bed, and also so that you can see how the charm looks like when I wear it. Love you. Bye.